ground moved a little bit, and then, oh my God, the whole mountain took off.
Spewing scalding rock and ash.
It was coming toward us like it was being shot out of a shotgun.
Unleashing deadly torrents of debris and mud.
I felt him grab me, pull me up on top of a log, and he just kept screaming to hang on.
And leaving behind a landscape of devastation and death.
Confusion. My priorities were rearranged that day.
So we watched.
15 seconds. It will never leave my mind.
Tonight on Minute by Minute, the Mount St. Helens eruption. March 27, 1980, southwestern Washington State, 6:02 a.m. The sun rises over the Cascades Range, a chain of volcanoes situated above the Pacific Fault Line. Towering over the landscape is the 9,677-foot Mount St. Helens. Known because of its beauty as the Mount Fuji of the United States, the volcano has been dormant for 123 years. Hundreds of campers, hikers, and photographers are converging on the mountain for the weekend. It's also a work day for over 300 forestry workers. Near Spirit Lake, less than 5 miles from the summit, U.S. Forest Service Supervisor Kathy Anderson and her tree planting crew hear what sounds like a small explosion.
What was common around there, because of the private timberlands in that area, were road building and other activities, so we kind of assumed that